G'day everybody, this is Mr. Video 1985 here with a brand new video and a kind of a revival or a restart kind of sorts on this series of first time watching series, which I have done in the past, and I was going to replace that with another series called 1001 Movies to Watch Before You Die, because some of them I've already covered, a few of them I have covered in that book, but I decided to keep this series going because I have already 4 videos I've already pre-done ages ago. I haven't uploaded yet for, I think I've done 4, which was I think Lawrence of Arabia, I think one was, I'm just looking at them on my screen now, To Kill a Mockingbird, Lawrence of Arabia, a couple other ones as well. Not all of them are part of it, but so I decided to, every time that is a video that's part of the 100,001 Movies to Watch Before You Die, I will put that under the video in the description. So this one is actually new. This one I'm doing now is my first time watching of I get the discount of The Birds, which is in this kind of Alfred Hitchcock collection. Has Vertigo, Psycho, The Birds, and Martin. So it is The Birds, which came out in 1963. 1963, which stars Nathan Akel, The Birds. She tell when Alfred Hitchcock unleashed the in one of the most shocking and memorable masterpieces. A beautiful blonde rolls into a this thing, looks for some birds, and she meets up with a eligible bachelor, Mitch, who's played by Rod Taylor. And suddenly this lady in the movie, which you probably haven't seen before, gets attacked by these seagulls and all kinds of birds. And for a movie that came out in 1963, it's terrifying, especially if you were back in the day and you went and seen this movie or this film, and you would think to yourself, you'd be scared, you'd be scared to go outside, the window so good the birds are going to attack you. A lot of films down the line have tried to do emulated. There's quite a few different parodies. They try to parodize the birds in other movies, but the special effects for the time was pretty good. I think all the people in there have done a good job. Robert Taylor done a good job in this one as well. And as I said, I've never seen this one before. So yes, I really enjoyed this. I really enjoyed it. That one. For this thing that comes, of course, it's probably, I don't know how good it is on Blu-ray, but for the thing comes with a All About the Birds making of, theatrical version, storyboard sequence, turning ending. They have to find a way to fight against the deadly force that can't be even stopped in one of Hollywood's most horrifying films of the nature goes things. So yes, sorry, this is a rambling thing, but I really enjoyed it. Things, birds attacking, good scenes, birds attacking other things. So yes, really enjoyed it. I'm slowly getting through Hitchcock films. At the moment, I've only seen this one. I've only seen this one and another one. I'm slowly building up on will be trying to get into the other ones as well. I know Psycho's supposed to be a good one, and Vertigo, so that's definitely this. So, I hope you enjoy this so-called thoughts, so-called things on my first time watching The Birds. So yes, if you have seen The Birds, not the ones outside, but the birds in here, please leave a comment underneath. What do you think about it? And yes, as I said, this will be again kind of a reboot of the first time watching the series, and of course this is part of is in the 1001 movies to watch before you die book. So I'll post a thing on the net to say that, sort of. As I said, I have quite a few other ones already in the pre-recording of it. I have to get to them. So I have done ones for The Killing Mockingbird, the African Queen, that should be coming up soon, Lawrence of Arabia, and 12 Angry Men. Now, I'm pretty sure only Lawrence of Arabia and Killing Mockingbird are in the thing, but yes. So, I hope you enjoy this kind of restart of my first time watching the series. And yeah, hopefully you'll have more videos down the line. Until my next video, this is Mr. Oz Video 1985 saying bye for now, not forever, and I'll catch you next time. And watch out for the birds.